I've been wanting to try out the DownLo Chicken Shack for a while, and today is the day. I'm going to try out one piece of chicken, and I'll tell you how it goes. I got a lot of recommendations from everybody on Instagram, and yeah, I'm excited. Original. Pretty legit. Crunchy, super juicy. It's a thigh, so it's not dry at all. That pickle is delicious. Okay, this one's a lemon pepper. Very lemon peppery. I like the original better. Oh, there's a kick to that. Very late kick. It's hot though, like super hot. We're talking about like burning your fingers hot. Alright. Verdict on DownLo Chicken Shack. Pros. Very crunchy, very juicy. Lots of selection. You can get a sandwich if you want, or you can just get chicken. In terms of flavoring, it's all there. The original is great. Comes with a little bit of honey, very mild. Now the lemon pepper was a lot more spicy than I thought it was going to be. Maybe I'm just weak, but if you like spice, go for the medium. I'm pretty sure the medium would be extremely spicy. Probably need a glass of milk with that. What are the cons? Super loud in there. If you like that vibe, that's probably for you. But I waited about 25 minutes for 2 pieces of chicken and a side. Pretty long wait if you ask me, but I went during lunch hours, so it's something to expect. The hype is real. Definitely go check out DownLo Chicken Shack on Commercial and Venables. You won't regret it, but be sure to bring an appetite and also a lot of napkins. I'm at Pelican seafood restaurant to have dinner with my parents. It's for my birthday, an early birthday dinner. I'm gonna end the vlog right here, but I'll give you the scenes of what the food looks like here, alright? See you next time.